Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody. I am Sangaji Rawi. I am from Islam Economic Department, University of Darussalam Gontor. Today, I want to presentation about the mechanism of transmission monetary policy in Indonesian through Sharia monetary system. The agenda style, the first, the background, the second, literature review, the third, theoretical framework, the fourth, research method. The background, the main issue that need deep attention related to monetary policy is whether the monetary policy process, especially the transmission mechanism, has a positive relationship to the real sector economic. Transmission mechanism is a channel or mechanism that bridges monetary and economic policy. In conventional monetary policy, transmission flow through 6 channels, namely money, credit, interest rates, exchange rates, asset price, and expectation. However, the 6 transmission lines of conventional monetary policy are not used in Sharia monetary transmission policy. From the monetary side, Bank Indonesia introduced the first Sharia monetary instrument in 2000, the Bank Indonesia Wadiah Certificate, which is still passive with the rapid growth of Sharia banking. In 2008, Bank Indonesia replaced SWBI with a better Sharia monetary instrument, namely Bank Indonesia SBIS, Bank Indonesia Syariah. The next literature review. Literature review, menurut Hardianto, there is no substitution mechanism between conventional and Sharia system loan product, and Sharia financing has a positive relationship better with consumer price index inflation. This condition is concluded because the increase in Sharia bank financing is not followed simultaneously by real sector transaction. Menurut Sukmawa dan Kasim, Sharia bank financing and deposit play an important role in the process of monetary transmission in the Malaysian economic. In particular, both deposit and Sharia financing are statistically proven to link monetary policy indicator with real output. The last, menurut Sanraigo and Nikmawati, Sharia financing can reduce the negative effect of inflationary interest rates after the 6 months. However, the substitution mechanism between Sharia financing and conventional credit does not occur when interest rate increase. Next, theoretical framework. Theoretical framework, monetary policy is the policy of the monetary authority or central bank in the form of monetary control to achieve desired economic activity development, namely macroeconomic stability, which among others is reflected by price stability or low inflation, improving real output development or economic growth, as well as the breadth of available jobs or employment opportunities. In the implementation of monetary policy, the central bank uses various tools as instruments in achieving its objective. Among the instruments are reserve recruitment, open market operation, discount policy, and co-regulation or moral suasion. Basically, the transmission of monetary policy is an interaction between the central bank as a monetary authority with bank and other financial institutions, as well as other economic actors in the real sector. Next, the mechanism of transmission of monetary policy basically describes the monetary policy taken by the central bank affecting economic and financial activities so that it can eventually reach the final objective set. Transmission is influenced by 3 factors, namely the first, change in the behavior of central banks. The second, the lack of the line the lack of the time length from the monetary authority action until the final target is reached. And the third, the change of the monetary transmission channels itself in accordance with the economic and financial development in the country concerned. On the pioneering, one of the pioneers of the development of Central Islamic monetary economic theory is Muhammad Umar Chapra. His book Towards a Just Monetary System, the setting of contemporary Islamic financial institution is not much different from the setting of established conventional finance institution. Next, Chapra said that monetary policy aims to achieve Islamic socio-economic, among the others, broad economic welfare, so socio-economic justice and ecology of income distribution and welfare, stability of value for money so that it really becomes a medium of exchange that is really fair and stable, mobilization and capital investment, realizing other service. The next research method. In research method, this research use a quantitative approach. The data is taken from the Bank Indonesia Banking Statistic Report SPIBI, Bank Indonesia Syariah Banking Statistic SPSBI, Indonesia BI Economic and Financial Statistic SEKI-BI, and Central Statistic against BPS. This research data is a time series data or monthly from January 2006 to April 2016. This study used factor auto-regression or VAR analysis to manage data if the data used is stationary and not integrated, or continued with the factor error correction model or FEACM method if the data is stationary and there is a co-integration. There is co-integration. Thank you from me. Syukron wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.